Well, Father's Day is Sunday, and if you're not ready, don't worry. Our organizing expert, Brenda Principali, is here to help. And as always, you have everything ready to go, organized, and Dad loves that.
Well, he does, you know. And so what are the things that we could do for Dad? You know, there's a million things to do. What does he really want? But I figured it's really good to kind of take three different areas that are related to Dad, D-A-D. So is he a digital dad? Is he an active dad? Or is it predominantly that he's a very devoted dad? Now, not that other ones aren't devoted, but you know, if that's the main role that he plays. So if your dad is a digital dad, there are some organizing things that you can do for him. First of all, look at his technology and look at all of the cables and cords and things that he uses all the time, and try and help organize those for him. So whether you have a special, you know, let's say he's a football fan, so you get a big football bin, you know, that maybe you would use normally for chips, but that's Dad's cables and cords. They all get to live in there. And then same thing, you know, if you want to get a little football and make it for Dad's keys, you know, I mean, something that just kind of ties in with it and makes it known that it's his.
What a great example you're using with these cable and cords, the USB cords. They get tangled up. You don't know if they're still useful because they change all the time, but at least the ones that are useful you can put together and separate because they get tangled.
Right. You know, and the other great thing to do for an entire family is color code them. So get the little straps that go on, and so if Dad's are all blue and Sue's are all green or whatever it is, but then it's really easy that when you see a miscellaneous cable laying around, you can help keep that and get it put back to where that person might be looking for it.
All right, and then we have our A.
We have our active dad. And that's kind of fun because if he's out and about all the time, and whether he's biking, hiking, or maybe he's just really an outdoors person or likes to work out, kind of help him with whether it's his workout bag or his hiking bag. Get him some little organizing pouches that go inside, so it's not just one big abyss of stuff. And then it will help him be organized while he's doing that. And then whether it's a little encouragement, make a little chart for him, you know, of Dad's workouts, you know, and let him check them off and put it on the fridge, and, you know, just to kind of encourage him and acknowledge what he's doing to stay active and fit.
I like it. Maybe just as an extra bonus, have a separate compartment for smelly socks on the gym bag.
Yeah, that goes in the bag.
That's a different organizing expert method there. All right, and then the other D?
Well, and if you feel like what you want to do is acknowledge your dad because he's so devoted, you could do a couple of different things. First of all, you could even just get a whiteboard, put it up somewhere in the house where everybody could write something nice on it. You know, thanks for doing this. Thanks for taking me to school. I like it when we sit together, and thanks for eating together, and whatever that might be. So, you know, just really acknowledge his devotion, and that can go a long way. You know, and if you want to give him, like, for example, some certificates, you know, like here's a certificate for washing your car. Here's one for helping you with the task, or maybe I'll take on your chores for you. Tell me what it is. So, you know, just kind of help out that devoted dad with all the things and the time he gives to the family.
Yeah, absolutely. And there's going to be dads out there where you can dip into all three.
You could.
Right?
Yep, exactly.
No, I love it. Okay. So now getting real nitty gritty. Where'd you get this football stuff from?
That was actually just from Party City.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Okay.
And the grid I ordered online. You know, you put all the different, it's got little bungees of all different sizes, and so you can wrap those up and put them in. That can go into a briefcase, it can go into a backpack. And again, it's really nice because then all those cords and cables don't end up in the bottom of a bag, tangled and such. And even if you need to put like a pen or a Sharpie or a, you know, highlighter or something in that grid, you can do that too.
I found out the hard way that I need even more organizing with these cords because I have the new iPhone, and that is the different C. So now I have to buy all the C stuff or the adapters to go from B to C. I need that. So I hear you. All right, Brenda. Well, happy Father's Day to all the fathers in your life, and